Well, hello, welcome back to my channel, Jacqueline's Beauty. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'll do a quick, brief intro. It is all about the Avesii bags. Stay tuned. I'll tell you all about this beautiful bag and how you can have one of your own. So stay tuned. We're going to dive right in. Okay. As you guys know, I have quick, brief intros, and I love that because I want to get right to what I'm talking about. And I am so elated to tell you guys about this collaboration partnership that I have with Avesii. It's Avesii. Oh my gosh. Is this the most beautiful bag you've ever seen in your life? It's gorgeous. Simply gorgeous. It is a shoulder bag, but you could wear it around your waist. You could wear it on the side. It's just wonderful. And it's all handmade. I do have a discount code. It will be listed below, and I can show you and tell you exactly how to get it. I love this. They have a variety of colors. I mean, just simply beautiful. Oh my gosh. And it's very practical. So it's not a bag you can't really use. I mean, you can throw your phone in there, your cell phone. I've placed like lipsticks, blush. You could have a little bit of highlighter, even a nice large size one, a lip pencil. I have a couple of my smaller eyeshadows that I put in. I mean, what more do you want? Oh my God. And spring, summer is here. This is perfect for going out. I'm telling you now, put it on. Hello, hello, hello. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. I love it. And oftentimes I usually try to wear my bags over my shoulder. I'm going to stand up a bit so you can see. It is simply divine. I love this bag. So I'd love to have you support this company. It's a great company. They make everything. It takes a little bit longer to receive the product, but because it's handmade and it's beautiful, I mean, it's so worth it. And you just go online and you pick your color that you like. It's just phenomenal. I love it. So I will list all the information below, but it's something that is great for every girl and guy, whatever your fancy is. Let me tell you, I love it. I'm so glad I got it. I got Casey, my one of my staffers, one of them. She's a wonderful girl. She helps me with my marketing and stuff. And we love our bags. We love our bags. I'm actually going to wear it with an outfit, but I couldn't wait to actually tell you guys about it. And again, the company's name, it's spelled Avesii. Oh my God. It is simply beautiful. I love it. I am going to buy some more. I wanted to get this one. The price range is anywhere from, I think it's like $80 to $100, but it's so worth it. You're going to have a very unique bag that you're not going to see all over town, which I love. Oftentimes when I travel, I'm going all over the place. I don't like to have the bag hang too low. You can simply do this over the shoulder, quite nice. And it's very sporty, very, very beautiful. I am shook, hooked, and I love it. So I plan to wear it with just like a beautiful white dress, something nice, springy, you know, where it's not too much. It's definitely not, for me, an evening event, but if I go out to a concert and I'm wearing a beautiful white dress, shoes to match, some black shoes, or even some brown sandals will go perfectly with this bag. I love this bag. So all the information will be below. I hope you guys try it out. I mean, one bag in your collection is never enough. I'm telling you. And this is such a unique bag. I've gotten so many compliments on it. I love it, love it, love it. And now that it's getting warm where I am in the Midwest, thank you, God. I am so ready for it. I just can't wait to wear this purse and just see what I can blend it with. I have some beautiful brown sandals I'm going to try it with. I have some wedges that it would be beautiful with. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Hello. I just thought about the wedges. I love them. So thank you guys so much for watching. Give us a thumbs up. Click the JB and subscribe. Click the bell so you know exactly when I'm uploading new videos. I'm having a lot of exciting things coming on board with my channel. Please follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. I have a blog now. I did do my blog like I promised. Please check it out. One of my things that I'm focusing on is ageless beauty. Being able to look healthy, strong, young, your entire life. I love you guys. Thank you so much for all of your support. Please leave me comments. Let me know if you've ever tried this bag. But if you have any questions on how to get it, it's all going to be listed below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.